Man, man, bandits. Come on, my pandas. Look at this stream. Look at that stream, everybody. Thank you for joining. Goodness gracious. I'm about to start trading. I'm about to start trading the afternoon sesh because we get more action in the afternoon session than we do in the entire regular session. So ridiculous. You get this massive move to the upside. Unbelievable. We can't get anything close to this in the regular session. Goodness gracious. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing amazing. We're about to get started here. I think I'm gonna trade minis today. I think we're trading minis. I think we have some good reason to trade them. If you're just joining, drop those GMs in chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas, we're just getting started. Yes. We're up what? $1,000 on our accounts, more or less. 1,000 ish. 1,000-ish dollars on our accounts. Not too shabby. Take it. Second entry long here is right. I mean, we're exploding to the upside. First entry long, but we have overlapping bars there. We are off the 20 EMA though, and it's bad signal bar. Market's about to open. Let's just wait till the market opens. Any news today, pandas? Let's check. No news whatsoever. Let's see. No news. The news is gonna be on Friday and at 10. The news on Friday at 10. Yeah, that's all I have. Yes. I mean, should I just start off with a bang here? Should we just start off with a nice bang? Market's about to open. 10 seconds. Oh boy. Oh boy. Market's about to open 10 seconds here. Markets are open. Whoa, trap triggers. So sick. So sick. It just gets destroyed right at the open. I mean, should I try? Should I just try? Coming off of this trend line. Little baby risk here. Little teeny baby risk here coming off this trend line. Should I just try? Kicks and giggles? Nah, no, thank you. No, thank you. We're breaking this trend line. I don't know what's happening. I have to destroy this trend line. It just flushes right when the market opens, but we'll see. 5 minute. It opens here, but just starts flushing right away. Such an incredible move yesterday. With the slowest grind of all times. Unbelievably slow. I can't tell you how slow it is. So incredibly slow, pandas. What in the world? Look at this. Look at this atrocity here. Is that guy just short? Mm, I can see a case for this. I can see a case for this. Let's try. Ooh, we're in. Big mistake-o? Big mistake-o? Perhaps. Big mistake-o. Coming off our trend line, breakdown, retest. I can see a reason for this. I can see a reason to try here. Oh, I can see even bigger reason to reverse this. Can I see an even bigger reason to reverse it? We'll just take the hit. I don't mind. I think we actually have a good short trade here. We got a lot of things going for us here. I mean, lean into your mistakes. We're absolutely leaning into our mistakes here. Goodness gracious, what is this atrocious price action here? All right, I'll take it. It gets pushed down and then like zero follow through whatsoever. Makes a new low. Wow. I mean, a couple bear bars in a row. Can I just get like can I just get this move without like a huge pullback for once? Can I just get this move without a huge pullback just for once in my lifetime? Like, does that not exist anymore? Like getting a nice move without a huge pullback. I guess it just doesn't happen anymore. It's a 10 point move, whatever. Sitting on my pause now. How frustrating is that? Like, is it possible just one time to get a move without a huge pullback? Like, it just doesn't happen anymore, pandas. Like, we're not. It's just we're just in a place where we cannot just take off our risk anymore. Look at this deep pullback takes your trades out break even. Goodness gracious, and it just gets pushed down again. I mean, what can you do about it, pandas? Like, can we just one time in our lives? It's just been a long time since we got a solid move. Goodness gracious. Like this move down here, right here. This is what I wanted. I wanted this move. I wanted the same thing here, but couldn't get it. This doesn't happen anymore. That's fine. We're chilling. We're just chilling. We're pretty much break even. We made a little money on that trade, like very little. I was up 10 points, so I mean I was up 400 at a point, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna take it out at 10 points, Pandas. I want more than that. I want more than that. I want to get a couple of legs down if possible. The market didn't allow me to do it though. Huge 10-point swing down, huge 10-point swing back up. Reverses back down. Look at this. Several pushes down. This is what I wanted, but could not get. So I wanted, but could not get it. Huge bear bar. Like gigantic bear bar right on the 5-minute printing. Straight up bear bar. Purest bear bar you can imagine here. I'm waiting for a reversal. Let's see. I'm waiting for a reversal. Let's see. We had some credence, right? It's two key areas coming off the 20 EMA. Actually, it's three key areas if you think about it. With the 20 EMA, we got the trend line and also breakdown retest. So we got three key areas to go short here. That's why I did it. That's absolutely why I did it. Day Trader NY, let's get it. Luis, good morning. Hey, drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Skip that like button. We are live. I was up 400 pandas. One time in our lives, can we get a push without a deep pullback? I don't think so. It's not happening anymore. It doesn't exist anymore in this market. No sir, diddly do. Second retort. Small risk. One key area here. Just holding, just waiting. I don't know if I love anything here. I don't love anything here. If anything, I like a fail second to short, thinking this bear bar is just gonna absolutely get folded here. That's what I'm thinking here. I got two key areas, bad signal bar. Two key areas, bad signal bar. All right, we'll try. I'll try here. Might be a little bit silly, but that makes it new low. I guess that second to short was good. Two key areas here. Coming in for a trend line. It's just an ugly looking second to short, but it is a second to short. It is ugly. Lower highs, lower lows. Just a strong downtrend right off the bat. So painful to not get into this trade. not be able to stay in this trade. Absolute nonsense. Whatever. Big bear bar. I mean, it's just a big bear bar with follow throughs. They're supposed to fill the gap just right off the bat here. It really looks like it's supposed to fill the gap right off the bat. I need at least 10 days here. I didn't realize it, but we made new all-time highs. We opened at new all-time highs. We just opened at new all-time highs. I didn't even realize that. We're gonna fill that gap for the new all-time high. Hmm. Could be a deep pullback. Could be a morning reversal. So many things here. It looks like a strong downtrend with no pullbacks yet. It looks like a really strong downtrend here. It looks like it's supposed to fill the gap. If you look at this, it looks like it's supposed to fill the gap. All first entries. Just saying about pause. I mean, I've always tried to come in late on these strong downtrends on first entries, and I always find the first entry that decides to reverse the entire market. I somehow have a magical ability to always enter at the last first entry like at the first entry that doesn't work. These are all first entries that are just beautifully making new lows, and I'm gonna enter the first entry that doesn't make a new low. It's just gonna happen. Wow, how does everyone decide to sell at 9:30? It's absolutely incredible. Another first entry makes a new low. Seven first entries. We got a gap to fill. We got a gap to fill. I mean, it's just making a beeline to fill the gap. What can I say? There's a secret Discord. Peter's the mod. Everyone sells right at the open. Okay. Okay. So it says sell the first entry. Come on. Look at the 2500 tick chart. Silly. It's a little silly goose. 17. 16 out of the last 17 bars have been bear bars. So sick. I'm gonna watch it all go all the way down. Every time I enter a first entry, always pick the one that reverses the entire market. I don't know how I do it, but I do it. We're getting back to the 20 EMA here. Bouncing off the previous day's high. Fair enough. Another first entry makes a new low. Okay. It's the 10th one. It's the 10th push. I'm thinking one more leg down here. I'm thinking one more leg down. That's crazy work if we don't get one more leg down here. That's crazy work if we don't get one more leg down. That's crazy work. Fail second entry short right here. That's crazy work, pandas. Telling you that's crazy work. If this triggers, we actually get a real reversal here. That's crazy work. Are we gonna get a real reversal here? That's crazy. I mean, I'll let it happen, but that's crazy. Pushes up here. Can try. I can try some reversal here. Looks like we're getting a fourth push up. Maybe not. We'll see. That's crazy work, pandas. That's crazy work the market's doing. It's gonna be very hard to time this reversal. Because now we're like in a tight trading or tight channel here. Narrow channel. When you have like 15 bear bars in a row, you're thinking one more push down. Like I'm thinking one more push down. It could be a second inch short. It could have to take a second inch short for it to happen. It really could. Taking one more leg down on the 2500 tick chart. It could have started already. It definitely could have started. It could be the push down. Gap gonna fill here. Unfortunately, now we made a new low. Ugh, disgusting. I'll try though. It's disgusting though. Really disgusting stuff. I'm gonna try here. Please don't blame me if this doesn't work. Please don't be mad at me. If this doesn't work, please don't be mad at me. I gotta try. There's only so much you can just like look and just look at it in disbelief like it's gonna fail. Troll fair party got slow, no follow through. It's crazy work. It's crazy work. Must you always take me out break even? Must you always do so? Can't just fill the gap. You must create some drama for some reason every single time. Hmm. Crazy work, Pandas. That's crazy work again. Break a trend to new low. We can have a nasty reversal here. We absolutely could have a nasty reversal here. That's crazy. That's crazy. Second to short. Terrible signal bar. Coming off a potential like support, which is the previous day's high. Doesn't matter. Strong push down, of course. I don't know what to make of this. I filled the position to go short again, but at this point, I'm just unsure. I don't want to get married to any premise. Just a very high chance we fill the gap soon. Incredibly high chance we fill the gap. Still haven't filled the gap. So sick. So sick. Still haven't filled the gap. This made every attempt to fill the gap here. My goodness. My goodness, it made every attempt to fill the gap here. What I mean by this is that the regular trading hours missed the gap fill by 2.25 points, 2.25 point. That's, you don't understand how statistically like improbable that is. On a $25,000 product, missing something by 2 points, by $2. Like you're talking about being missing something by like a penny. It's less than a penny, like way less than a penny. That's that is so sick. I'm sorry, Pans. This is sick. Like, I mean, you missing the gap like that, that is unbelievable, but it is happening right before our eyes. I'm even surprised in markets like today, markets like this, just don't do the efficient thing anymore. Oh boy, my goodness. Feels like an inch short here. Does that even make sense? It's getting diabolical. Woo! NQ missing the gap by 2.25 point. You don't understand how insanely improbable that is to happen. Insanely improbable to miss filling the gap by 2.25 point. It is just crazy work. That's crazy work. I'm telling you, Pandas. Now we got like 50 bajillion overlapping bars in a row just watching. Okay. Sean Barber anyone as well. No follow through. Means nothing to me. I'm just watching. We're in a trading range here now. ATR on a 500 tick chart is amazing. I mean, I gotta try. Don't I have to try? Some sort of lower high here. I gotta try to go short here. Don't get a lower high. We don't get the lower high. I mean, wow. Strong bear bar ending odds low. Full blown reversal here. So sick. It's sick. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say and I don't know what to do. I'm just watching. Anything can happen. I'm just watching, pandas. I'm just gonna let it happen. Whatever happens, happens. I'm gonna miss it. So sick. Bear bar ending odds low. No follow through again. We probably get it now. We're very surprised we don't feel the gap now. Like now. Like this push here. This bear bar. So sick. If we don't fill it with this bear bar, it's just the market's just playing. It's just toying with us at this point. We don't fill it with that bear bar. That is super disgusting. Can't fill the gap. Wow. That is gross. I'm sure. Micro hell time, maybe. It could be. I mean, it is starting to look like we may have to turn into micro hell here with the join micro hell. Wow. Misses the gap again on another attempt to the downside. It's a double bottom at this point. How sick is this, pandas? How incredibly disgusting is that? That's so sick. Misses the gap again. Absolutely incredible. I wanted to jump in too, like here. Question is, are we gonna miss the gap entirely? Now at a double bottom here. Break a trend, double bottom. Break a trend, new low, double bottom. Triple bottom, actually. I'm telling you, pandas, this is diabolical. Get ready for some fireworks here. It may not fill the gap. It really may not fill the gap. It might just run away right here. It may just run away right here, pandas. Anything can happen. I'm a spectator here. Jeez. So sick. So sick. Ah, crazy, crazy work. Basically reverses the entire like Globic session in one leg. In one single leg. And reverses it misses the gap by 2.25 points. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you. I don't think you understand how highly improbable that is. Some people caught the knife. Trading range, or are we gonna have a full blown reversal here? Ah, trading range or full blown reversal? Hmm, okay, that might be the answer here. That might be your answer here. Second just short on the 2500 tick chart. Beautiful signal bar coming right up to 20 MA. I mean, I may try here. Jeez, what'll pop up? I'm gonna try anyways. I'm gonna try anyways here. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Thinking we're gonna create a trading range of some sort. Sick. So sick. So sick. Could be a full blown reversal. Could be a full blown reversal here. This could hurt. I'm telling you, this could hurt. This could truly hurt here. Come out break even because I'm the biggest wuss of all time. Come out break even because I'm the biggest wussy of all time. Came out break even. I have the most paper hands of all time. That's why. Pressure got burned. Yeah, I mean, if you held the proper wrist, you got burned for like instantly, but you can maybe think that this can create a trading range here. And we can be in trading range, which is why I held. Came out break even because I'm a wuss. Really good signal bar too, right? On the second to short. Huge downtrend. Are we really gonna leave this gap open? So sick. We're gonna leave it open, Pandas. Like it's just what it is. We're gonna leave the gap open. So sick. Hate outside bars. Yep, me too. Exactly what that is. Just create an outside bar. Instant on like almost a no-brainer short. Good, beautiful looking signal bar here. Coming off the 20 MA, second inch short. And thinking some follow through after this big push down. And we could still have follow through. We truly could. Big up, big down. Could have created a big trading range as well. Like coming all the way back up here. Certainly could do that as well. 5 minute coming off the 20 MA just really misses the gap. It's not gonna. It's gonna keep the gap open, Panis. Like it's just what the market's gonna do, and there's nothing you can do about it. It's just crazy work. You missed that, like 2.25 points. But I've learned not to get married to any premise. This is why I just sit and watch. I just sit and watch now because that is just insane. It's insane things are happening right now. So you yourself need to be a little insane as well. You know what I mean? It might be time to jump to micros here. Golly. AYL. Look up Nancy Pelosi rap. I think you're gonna like it a lot. Nancy Pelosi rap on YouTube. Just what? No, what? That's disgusting. Nancy Pelosi rap by Samson. I think you're gonna enjoy this. I think you're gonna enjoy it. Disgusting. Okay. Okay. We could have something here. We could have something. We can have something here. I'm thinking short, right? I'm thinking we're making some sort of double top. Our trading range is bigger than I thought it was. Maybe something like this. Bringing down back into here. You have weird. Those lyrics should be a Pulitzer Prize winner. The lyrics of that rap. Nancy Pelosi rap. What's going on here? Okay. Lower high. Coming off the top of this trend line, potentially. Oh, is this Samson with a P? Samson. Yes, even more disgusting. I believe that. Oh my god. But it looks like the ES is gonna fill the gap here. One, two, three, four, five, six completely overlapping bars in a row. So sick. So sick. OII pattern breaks to the upside fails. You know what? We're going for this, pandas. We're absolutely going for this. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the other side, pandas. I don't even know if this is copying, is it? Yeah, we're copying. We're absolutely copying here. Trying to fill the gap. Get an OII pattern. OII that fails and reverses down. We'll see, pandas. I feel like we're not going to get anywhere with this, but we'll find out. ES is ugly, but it's actually creating a setup to fill the gap here. Strong bear bar ending near its low. It might not even happen in one bar. It might happen in a couple bars here. I can't hold it. I simply cannot hold it. If it starts to reverse, just gets so choppy. I cannot hold this, pandas. So sick. All right. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Here we go. Thoughts and prayers here. Wow. I'm glad I didn't front run that. We're in. Thinking it's a trading range. Let's get it. Hopefully this is a trading range. People are buying at this pivot low. I hope not. Hopefully we get a little more than this without retracing. Hopefully we get like 50%. That's our first target, right? 50% gap is the second target. How about that? 50% first target. Easy peasy. Now no risk trade. It's good. We're gonna fill the gap now. Hopefully we fill the gap. Did the E-mini? E-mini filled the gap I should have held. I got the most paper pause ever. Truly the most paper pause ever. Right. Trading range, double top, and it feels like entry long here. Giving us a nice reversal pattern at the top of a trading range. Oh boy. I mean, like I said, it's just not happening. We just cannot get a move. We cannot actually get a strong move one way. It always retraces. In the markets like this, can we one time make it? Please! One time! One time! What? Pin, what? What? Okay, we're good. Nah, I mean, how much did we give up here? We got 400 bamboo sticks. Jeez Louise. Gap fills on the 5-minute chart. Beautiful. Wedge top 5-minute. 2500 tick. 1, 2, 3. Pushes up. 1, 2, 3. Pushes up. It's got too short. Uh, you can take your chances and keep going short here, but look at the 5-minute now. It kind of looks like a bear flag, but at the same time, it's like entry long. This one's tough. This one's tough. E-mini, I had one contract going. 162. I gave a 400 bamboo sticks here. It was a 20-point move. Let's go short here. It seems like the obvious short. Track fails. Reverses back down. You can get enter again here. Mm, It's confusing if anything. It's confusing if anything. Wow, this is disgusting price action. Trap triggers, reverses down. So sick. Don't know what to make of this. Albert says, I don't know, but the fact bothers me is that after these huge drops for the first few hours, they came back up at the end of the day. Comes back, yeah, yep. Happens a lot. Disgusting markets do disgusting things. You know what I mean? All right. This is interesting. I have to try. I'm sorry, Pans, but I have to try here. I mean, if this reverses back down, I have to try. We hit the 50% mark. I had a runner to potentially get to the fill the gap, which would have been really disgusting if I was able to do it. It still looks like it's flagging here. I don't know, but clearly below the 20 MA. Too confusing. Price action is very choppy, very confusing. I don't know what to make of it. Other than you just got like destroyed. You got stop loss hunted. If you took this long here, you just got stop loss hunted. Bounce back up. How mad are you now? How mad are you taking this long here? You get stop loss hunted like that by like a tick. Seriously, like it's by a tick, I think. Right, your stop loss is right here. You get stop loss hunted. So crazy. Disgusting. 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 Oh, the second entry low does trigger above the 20 MA. Very strong push down. You're thinking one more leg down. At least that's what I'm thinking. At the very least, one more leg down with such a strong move, but I don't know. Triple top now. It looks like it's creating its own trading range at this point. At the upper half of this trading range, bigger trading range. I don't know, Panis. This one's wild. Trade at your own risk. Seriously. This is wild price action right now. I may jump. I may jump to the minis or to the micros because this is getting diabolical. I might jump to the micros here. This is getting quite diabolical here. A little pop up here now. Absolutely disgusting. What do you do? What do we do with that? What are we doing that with Pan? What are we doing with that, Panis? I've done Albert Mo with just the nice words of encouragement. You've done it really good under these crazy prices. I absolutely agree. We have been absolutely killing it. We're up $1,300 on average, pretty much. And then, like, seriously, some of the worst price action I've seen in a long time. Since the summer, really. Boy, oh boy, look at this strong bull bar ending on its high. Gets folded. Absolutely gets folded here. Man, oh man, what is this? It's disgusting. It's really filthy here. That is crazy work. That's actually crazy work right here. hmm Lower high. It's a trading range right here. That's the thing about trading ranges. You get stuck. Like trading ranges beget more trading ranges. Like it's just like another trading range inside a trading range. So you could buy here, but then you have the risk of it coming to the bottom of this trading range. Uh, Thoughts and prayers. We're dead here, I think. I don't mind if we come up with a break even day today. I don't mind. Another trading range being created. You see this? Another trading range being created here. It's a trading range. Trading range inside a trading range. That's what we're seeing here. Crazy work, crazy work. Big bull bars, no follow through. Big bear bar, absolutely no follow through. Marquee, right? Signature movement of trading range. The problem is that when are we going to break out of this trading range to come down to this trading range down here? It's just really hard to tell. I may jump to micros. All right, Pandas, that's a prayers. We are absolutely going to get cooked here. Wow, we didn't get cooked, we got fried. My goodness, we got fried. I couldn't even take my goodness, I'm taking Pandas! Pandas! I got the errors! I can't get them off my screen! I can't move my orders! on my screen. Goodness! Finally! Just take me out, please! I hate that! Truly hate that. My goodness. We're dead. Up 400, down 300. I mean, whiplash back and forth, whatever. I mean, we got fried. We didn't get cooked here. We got fried, pandas. So dumb. So incredibly stupid. I'm tilted. I'm tilted. I don't even care anymore. You're gonna trading range on me? Right, you're gonna trading range on me? All right. Well, two can play this game. Two can absolutely play this game here. Two can play this game. You want a trading range on me? You want to actually trading range on me right now? I was born in the trading range. Molded by it. You want a trading range on me? You want to actually trading range on me? You actually want a trading range on me right now? Are you serious? You actually want to try trading range on me? You got nothing on me. You got nothing on me. You want a trading range on me? How dare you? How dare you want a trading range on me right now? How dare you? How dare you even think? Even ponder that? Goodness gracious. Trading range on me? You kidding me? This is a joke though. Look at this chart. Look at this little look at this little rat chart right here. Goodness gracious. Interesting. The ES and the NQ are divergent. Very divergent right now. I mean, this is making a flag, but we're above the 20 man. It's just disgusting. Absolutely disgusting here. Pete Hegsworth. Who's Pete Hegsworth? I don't know who that is. Heggs said. He's. I really sound. I don't know how this guy sounds like, but War. Department of War. I heard he's trying to revamp like all of DOJ or something. Not DOJ, the Department of Defense or something. The DOD. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what the current market cycle we're in. Bulls making money, bears making money. Everyone making money. Her U.S. government shutdown. WTF does that even mean? It means all the government workers get to go home and play. It means it's pure anarchy in the United States. Pure anarchy. That's what that means. I'm up $22, pandas. I mean, can you even imagine being up $22 right now? So incredibly professional. Right, also high scalp. That's all you're doing right now. And it's disgusting. Training ranges beget more training ranges. So we may have another training range up here. Like one might just appear out of nowhere. A wild training range has appeared. Very confusing. Lower high. Could be a nice push down. Could be a nice push down. A nice push up. So I'm saying training ranges beget more training ranges. So we have this training range, but now we have the training range right here developing. So sick. So incredibly difficult to discern in time. Very difficult to time right now. Should I? Should I do the thing that makes sense right now? Like, should I just do the thing that makes sense right now? Sell here? I mean, dare I do the thing that makes sense, actually? Should I go short? Like, dare I actually do the thing that makes sense right now? I was trying to get one more high here before I go short. It makes 10 points or whatever. I don't know. Wow. All right. There we go. Like I said, should I do the thing that makes sense? I actually wanted it to break this high one time. Didn't get there, so here we go. Again, Panda, it's like another day of this. This is our price action for the day. I mean, this is our price action for the day. Like, can we even trade this? Is this even really that tradable? Not really. It's just absolutely trash. E-mini is actually better. I almost want to go short here on the fail so I can trade long and see what happens. Jeez Louise. Almost just want to go short here. Should I cry? Just see what happens. try. Let's see what happens. Kicks and giggles here. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers are much needed. I'm just so incredibly scared to hold any trade right now. Just because I know it has the power to reverse at any moment. I just am so scared to hold any trade today. I'm like practically break even today. I'm practically break even today. I mean, it's virtually break even. I'm up $30, but it's chaos right now. It's pure chaos. Albert, I had lost 2K on 50K accounts and made back 2.2K this morning? What? With almost $300 commissions? I mean, I'm getting, I'm losing my mind. I feel like I'm walking on the clouds. Well, congratulations. I honestly feel like your mental capital must be drained. And look at this training range here. Can't quite get to the bottom of this training range, and now we're actually making higher highs, higher lows. What to do here? Every day. Absolute trash. What to do? What to do? What to do? We're just sitting here, pandas, because this is diabolical price action. I mean, any other song recommendations? Did you like that song? I know you like that song, Nancy Pelosi rap. It has YL written all over it. I mean, look at this huge move to the downside, and it just turns into this all day. Like, this is 2500 tick chart, man. Just really just soak it all in. Look at just how terrible every single day is. It's on repeat now. I'm getting sick. I'm telling you, the lyrics in that song, it should be, he should win a Pulitzer. Very poetic, very beautiful words. Wow, it fills a gap somehow on the daily chart. Though it actually doesn't really fill the gap. It doesn't actually fill the gap, so I don't know what gap it filled on the daily chart, but it did. E-mini filled the gap. Look at this. This is what I'm saying. Like, I can't hold anything here. Everything has a possibility to reverse because you have this nonsense. Now you're gonna get more nonsense. Nonsense begets nonsense. And eventually we will break out, right? Like sooner or later the Bears will realize what's going on here, and that they cannot break beneath the 20 MA. They're gonna realize that soon, and they're gonna start closing their positions, and that's gonna cause us to launch. I believe, at least. V1 Albert Mo. Hey, tomorrow is a new day. What can I say? So for me, I'm trading very conservatively. I'm obviously trading 20 accounts. So my goal here is longevity. Longevity. That is the goal here for these accounts. Because all you need is $200 per day on average to make $1 million. So the what's more important is longevity, like risk management. That's the most important thing. Tomorrow's a new day, and also NFP. Yep, we got NFP tomorrow. I think they're at 8:15, right? NFP. I think, if I'm not mistaken, NFP is at 9:15. 8:15. Sorry. Absolutely disgusting here. What is that? That's crazy, pandas. That's crazy work again. Oh boy, impossible to trade. These markets are impossible to trade. I mean, look at how many overlapping bars there are. These markets are literally impossible to trade. Woo! I mean, dare I? Dare I? Just buy off the 20 MA? That's what's been happening this entire time. But it looks like such a bear flag that I feel like it wants to break through. So right now, like, I'm scared. Like, I'm actually scared to buy here. I guess. Ask GPT to make me a trade plan. What did it say? So sick. Wow. Who would have guessed this is was gonna happen? Going back to the bottom of some sort of trading range. It's 10 points. I'm gonna buy if this trap fails. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. That's crazy work. That's crazy work what just happened here. It's absolutely insane. It's actually insane. Feels like I too long. I'll take a reversal here, whatever. We're actually breaking down now. This this flag on the 5 minute chart is actually breaking down beneath the 20 minute. Okay, fair enough. We're gonna fill the gap now on the Nascraq here. If we get another close beneath the 20 minute here, I mean not another close, but if we get a close here beneath the 20 minute, this could lead to a nice push down. Finally filling that gap. Thoughts and prayers. I wanted like one retracement, but we're gonna get none, huh? I wanted like one retracement, but we're gonna get none. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. 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 Oh boy. Do I always have to hold? Hold! Strong bull bar here will make me capitulate. A strong bull bar here will make me capitulate. Oh my gosh, pandas, why? Why every time? Why every time? Any follow through after this will make me capitulate. Goodness gracious, pandas. I don't know what to say. Other than it is what it is. And we got absolutely crushed here. Absolutely crushed here. I try to take two reversals. I try to scale in one time on a big breakdown in a big trading range day. And I pay the price, pandas. It is what it is. I'm paying the price here. I'm gonna get crushed here. It's gonna fly back up. Watch this. It's gonna fly back up, destroy me. It is what it is, pandas. It's fine. I counted the cost. And I said, hey, possibly, possibly. Oh, 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 oh. Don't even tease me. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Pandas? Why? Oh, 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 how do I do it every single time? How is it possible? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy work. Any type of folder, I was about to capitulate. I was about to, any type of folder, I was about to capitulate. Jeez Louise, this is making me lose my throat. Right now. Goodness gracious. What does an E-mini look like? This trade actually works out. How crazy is that? For 1-to-1. Alright, Panis. We will try again here. Thoughts and prayers are needed. Greatly so. Thoughts and prayers are needed. Greatly so here. No. Are we just reversing up? What are we doing here? I don't know. Cinema pulse. Filling a gap. Never been so difficult. Lower high. Could be the big push down what we needed. The lower high here could be the big push down. Traders looking for some confirmation to go short soon. And I believe they're going to get it. They're looking for some confirmation just to go short here. They're looking for it. Because I'm looking for it. I'm looking for the confirmation. It could just be a strong bear bar any moment now. Or two bear bars in a row. Interesting. What is going on here? I'm not gonna get our setup. Second inch is short, obviously. Looking for a second inch short coming out for 20 MA and our trend line. I don't think we're gonna get it. If we get it, beautiful. If not, probably gonna miss the move. I gotta try. I gotta try. Pants, I gotta try. I'm sorry. I gotta try. I gotta try. Huh? 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 No way. If this reverses here, this price action is just completely diabolical. We're going deep here. We're going deep here. Here we go. Don't feel me. Now it feels me on the way back up. The Bears are fighting for their lives right now. The Bears are fighting for their absolute lives right now. They cannot seem to push this down to fill the gap. They are trying with their lives, but they seem like they can simply not do it. They cannot push it down worth their lives right now. My goodness, what is this nonsense? They cannot push this down if their lives depended on it, pandas. They cannot push this down if their lives depended on it. It is diabolical. They cannot do it. I'm trying, pandas. I'm really trying to do what makes sense here. And it's just not working out. It's going to be a full-blown reversal. It's going to be a huge reversal here. I already know I'm caught in the... I'm already caught. I'm already dead here. I'm already caught. I already know I'm already caught here. Another push down. Deep pullback. Worth their lives. They cannot push this down. They simply cannot push this down. Their lives dependent on it. They cannot. I can't trade these markets, pandas. Every single day, it's just booty. Absolutely, like it's not even just slightly bad. It's like astronomically bad. It's like if it was just like okay, kind of bad, that's fine. I get it. Sometimes days are like that. But I mean like every day, day after day after day, it's just like astronomically booty. That's like another story, pandas. That's truly another story. It's just every single day, just astronomically booty here. I already know how the story unfolds. It's me losing like hundreds of dollars. I already know how this unfolds. We're gonna lose hundreds here. Yep. I already know how the story unfolds. We're gonna lose hundreds. We will lose hundreds. I already know how the story unfolds. We're gonna lose hundreds. Oh, I gotta hold this, pandas. I just gotta hold this. It's another bear bar. It's simply another bear bar. I gotta hold this. I have to hold this. I have to hold through this. Goodness gracious. Panda's like, worth its life. This, this, this market for its life cannot do the most simplest of things. We filled the gap like perfectly. Like we're bouncing off of it. It's Windows like worth its life. It cannot do the most basic and simple things. It cannot. I mean, we're done. Up 841. So sick. So sick. This market. I cannot tell you. Day after day. I don't care if I win or lose that trade. Looking at this market, like, look at this, pandas. What are we dealing with here, actually? Oh, so frustrating. Actually, so frustrating right now. It's so frustrating. This is the worst. Like, it's not even slightly bad. It's astronomically bad. I'm gonna make a new low here. Right, bro is complaining his way to pro. If you complain enough, the market starts to actually do what you want it to do. Goodness gracious, it's crazy. It's crazy. The fact I'm up at all today, that's a miracle in itself. Made a new low. Very cool. Are we just in a strong downturn now? Nobody knows. I want to say no. I feel like this is trading range price action. It's gonna eventually go into a trading range, a big one probably. I just can't imagine this actually making a nice move now. If there is a measure move here, if this does push down, you got a measure move. You got some more room to this measure move. It's like a very clear measure move, so if it's too clear, sometimes usually it doesn't work out like that. It's like too clear. Capitulate, capitulate, capitulate. I just really can't imagine this really pushing down. Like I feel like this needs a. This is gonna turn to a trading range. It's flushing. I mean, if it's flushing, it's flushing. If it's flushing, it's flushing. Well, I hate to see it. It's a bar reversal, no thank you. Still trading range price action. I think so. So sick. New low created. That might be it. You take one more trade today. If it fails, I can just short. Oh, actually, actually. Oh, you know how you know you're in trading range when you get strong bear bar, no follow through, and gets folded. When strong breakout bars get folded, you know you're in trading range. Feels like I just short. Now we're just like we literally folded this candle, bear bar ending on its low. Actually, a gap here. It's hard to see, but there's a where this bar closes, this bar opens. There is a one tick gap. It's there. I mentioned that because those get filled. Those actually get filled still. So on a day like today, you're gonna get a lot of retracements. Lots of retracements. Can't go long here, it's too high. And you're asking yourself, where's the next trading range going to be? Where's the next 3 hours of just complete sideways price action going to be? That's your question right now. That's everyone's question. Where will the trading range, where will we start to range? Does it make a 1 to 2? Actually? Oh, it makes a 1 to 2, and that's when it starts to reverse. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Makes a 1 to 2, that's when it decides to reverse. Wow, actually makes a perfect 1 to 2. Pretty sick. Do I go long here? I don't know. I don't think so, but he's probably have a deep retracement before really pushing up. Wild things daily open. Today we opened right regular trading hours. We opened up here. Ooh, wow. He, Wild thinks we're gonna come back up here. It couldn't. It could. Makes this whole thing a trading range day. Comes back up here. Actually, not a bad guess. Actually, not a bad guess. Could do that. Daily open. Yeah, daily open. Daily open will be basically yesterday's close. All right, where'd you go? All right, I think I'm gonna end this skin diabolical game. Up 841 altogether on our accounts. We're up around 1700, more or less 17 to 1800. Being up 1700 on the accounts. mm, Remember, pandas. Remember, you need $200 an average per day. We've been making an average of probably around there per day. Definitely more. Cool. Big push down. Question is, where will we make our trading range? The most obvious pivot is actually right here. This is the most major, like, the most obvious major pivot we have. Hmm, Little. All right. How about to call it? Think it's about that time. I think it's about that time. It's like confusing because let's just say like I'm trading the M and Q. I'm trading micros. Like I'm playing the scale and West. I'm like, wow, what do I do? What am I gonna try to do? Am I trying to like buy down here? I don't know. I just feel like I'm confused. Regardless, I'm trying to think this is a trading range or perhaps turning into a big downtrend of some sort. Like I just don't know what to do. I wouldn't even know what to do here. Like, do I like this short here after making a new low already? I don't know. Seems odd. Very odd to me. Oh, oh. Oh. Small risk, big reward trade here. Oh, it's going really sideways. I'm gonna set my pause here, but I do feel like this could go down. I'm gonna set my pause here because of how sideways it's going. Making me very confused. Very sideways here. It has potential to go down. I don't know if I can go long here. Not yet, at least. Not while the 5 minutes underneath the 20 MA. It's hard for me to go long here. This is tough. I think I gotta end it here because this is absolutely just sideways and just super choppy. ATR's dropping. Uh, I don't know. Yeah, just really sideways. Okay. I'll try. It's such a small risk. I'll try. Yeah, it's a small risk. I'll try this. Small risk. I don't mind trying here. Oh, I pattern. Yeah, it's just a small risk. I don't mind losing this, but absolute booty. Oh, I pattern. I don't know if I want to scale in. I don't know if I want to scale in. I think I'll just take the hit and just move on next day because this is just booty. This is appropriate risk as well. There's an OI pattern. That's why I took it because the risk was so small. Yeah, I would take the hit. All right, that's the last trade. I can't handle this anymore. It's absolute booty. Pez, I'll see you guys bright tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to use code BBAM for 40% off TBT and also 80% off Apex. So that's the current promos right now. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. So until then, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.